Republic Day is celebrated to remember this historic moment of our nation when our country became a republic, independent country. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad also began his term as the first President of India, and the Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under the provision of new Constitution. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Republic means that a country citizen have the supreme power to elect their representatives. Ever since independence, the main celebration of Republic Day has been held at new capital, New Delhi at Rajpath, in the presence of President, Prime Minister and other high-ranking officials of India. As a tribute to India, the Republic Day celebration on Rajpath showcases the defense capability and incredible cultural diversity of India. It is present in the presence of